Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change picture mode in your Android TV. At first, you have to go for the right upper corner, enter the settings. Next, scroll down to the device preferences. Right now scroll down one more time and go for the picture mode. Open picture mode. And here you can set up, for example, the vivid. Also with these sliders you can adjust any parameter that you can see right here. Below we can find, for example, the color temperature, advanced video settings, or you can also reset all of the settings to the defaults. Most of the settings you will find the difference between changing parameters only when you are watching any videos, like on the YouTube, Netflix, or for example the Prime Video application. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.